Mga kapatid, 77 years old na ang United Church of Christ in the Philippines. We'll be celebrating as a church our 77th anniversary this coming May 25. I just would like to remind everyone kung ano yung UCCP identity. Ano yung identity natin sa UCCP? We are united and uniting church. Our character is evangelical and evangelistic. Our ministry is holistic. And our concerns are universal and inclusive. And our spirit is progressive. And our attitude is open-minded. So sana isabuhay po natin ang ating identity as a United Church of Christ in the Philippines. Happy 77th anniversary sa inyong lahat.